You probably think what it is. Hello and welcome to my channel, Scotland Mushroom Foraging and Fishing. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video. I always wanted to have a new fishing tackle box. And today it came, of course without the scissors. Let me show you my old one, which is here. And I just converted an old rucksack, Bambino Mio. It might ring a bell for some of you. And I always like a rucksack type box, and I can get a lot of stuff in there, but there's a disadvantage. When you put it on the sand, it gets wet on the bottom, you can't sit on it. But the advantage is you can take it anywhere. As a back rucksack, you can take it onto rocks, any terrain. So now I managed to get a new box. Let's unpack it. And as you can see by the name, it's a Sea Max made by Roddarch. And I opted for this one instead of the Shakespeare one. I mean, this one was $39.99, but I think it's a very good value for money. As for the clips are very nice, so you can have, look, there's in there different compartments which you can alter. There's the straps, and you have compartments here. So on the basic version of the Shakespeare you won't get all this. And then here you have the main compartment. So that's a 3-liter size in there. And in the main you have 18 liters. So there's plenty of getting your stuff in there. And also it comes with a comfortable seat, padded seat. I think it's 8 mil. And I like the color. And it's supposed to be a heavy duty strap. And you also can rig it as a backpack, as a rucksack. So I'll probably have to still figure out how to do this. And also it comes with the external part, which goes over the top. So you have this padding, and then you have another padding on top here. So you just undo the clips, and then you just. So can you put the box inside?
Yeah. Why don't you bring light?
Yeah. Top. No. And now you have a rucksack, which you also can take, just put straps. You can take it in any place. No, can you see? Can you watch if it actually see me? No,
I want to see your legs.
knit this one. Is it seen the rucksack?
No.
Right. Do it again. But now it's seen in the backpack, yeah?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. So can you do some filming, Norman? So and now you can wear it as a backpack. There you go. Any terrain, and there you go. Okay, now if you put it down on the wet sand, the bottom still going to get wet, but nothing else. So it also has, I mean, you have to do some adjustment. It has all these pockets, so you can put things in it. Yeah, you can put wheels in it, the rigs, the side pockets. Yeah, you can adjust them. Then another one on this side. So there's a lot of stuff you can put in there. So, and if you want to open up the box, just clip it backwards and off you go. So I think for that price, and it feels sturdy and it feels good quality. So and then you get the outside strap as well. For the side strap, so you just can hang it on. So I think for that kind of price, and it looks good quality. It's a sturdy box, good, thick plastic, and yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. And then of course then I've got to see how it's going to do in the field. Yeah, so very nice indeed. It's got even a big pocket in the back here as well. So overall, it has a lot of storage room. So you've got the 80 liters inside, you've got the 3 liters in the top section, and with all the pockets, yeah, it's quite. You can pack a lot of stuff in there. So yeah, I'm very pleased with it, and hopefully in the next video I can feature it. And so I just got to figure out how to put the straps on, and yeah. Great stuff. So yeah, I bought it on eBay. You can see it on. I left the page open. It's from what do you call them? Quay Sports Sea Max fishing rucksack. They do other types as well, but for this value, I opted for this one, and yeah, so great stuff. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed what I saw, and yeah, see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.
I don't know how to switch stuff.
Come on, Norbert.
I didn't know which.
To show you, I repacked. So all this bag is now totally empty. Everything is in here, plus more. So I managed to put a strap on. So if you just want to move quickly, you can just put it over your shoulder. Right. Just clip it. So you still have a seat there. So I like these clips. They're they're solid, and they're really clipped nice and tight. So yeah, we have all the normal stuff. Sliding stuff, lightning, torches, some line, little weights, elastic, thread, swivels, beads, stoppers. Down here we have some hooks, all sorts of different hooks. So still got an empty compartment there, just some lures there. So I always can put some. I still got another little box for lures and special egg, and here we have some attractor. There you go, attractors in here. So there's a lot of room. Then in front here we have a little scale, handheld one. I might have to upgrade to a digital one, but it gives you a rough idea about this. So in here we have some shock leader. Here we have some quick utilities, scissors, footsteps, yeah, what you sort of need, measurement, tape measures. So yeah, they'll come handy quickly when you need them. And then the back, the side that you put them aside here. There's the zip on the top. The zip here, what we put in here. Now we've got some spare emergency bait, some black lug, preserved black lug, emergency bait, and we've got some plastics here, sand eels, firetail. So yeah, right. Show you the inside. Right, yeah, I say they're nice clips there. They're really tight. There's no really give in there. And yeah, should. Let's see how it goes when we start using it. Right. So we've got all the different rig bags here, and cloth. So we got reels here. Reel, spare reel. Got some floats in the bottom. Then we got some real spare spools. And then the bottom here we have the lead. So yeah, so you get everything in there comfortably. What you really need for sea fishing. So yeah, so let's see how it holds out for that price, $39.99. But I think there's a lot of room, a lot of thought put in there, in the design, and it's a sturdy box. Let's see how long if it outlasts my backpack, which I had for years. So now I actually managed to get a box. It's not a big box. The dimension is 38 centimeters, 37 centimeters by I think it's 23 centimeters. Yeah, so overall, yeah, I quite like it. Also the color, so you won't lose it. Yeah, the dimensions is can support up to 20 stone. Where's the size? Oh yeah, here, 38 by 23 by 37. I know you can get bigger boxes, but I think they will do for me. As I say, the Shakespeare Basic starts at about £50.